Hello dear students, I am Dr. A.B. Kamble, working in Department of Zoology, KBP Mahavidyalaya Pandharpur. Today I am going to explain here the topic of the B.Sc second Zoology. This is the glycolysis. As we all know that this is the important topic of the carbohydrate metabolism. See, glycolysis is a breakdown of glucose molecule to produce chemical energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, that is the ATP molecule. This is also called as the EMP pathway. During glycolysis, the respiratory substrate, namely a glucose molecule, is converted into 2-pyruvic acid molecule. During glycolysis, 4 ATPs and twice NADH2s are formed. Out of the 4 ATP, 2 are utilized for phosphorylation of the sugars. The glycolytic reactions take place in the cytoplasm of the cell, and during glycolysis, oxygen is not utilized, so it is an anaerobic phase of the respiration. See, these are the different steps of the glycolysis. First is the phosphorylation 1, second isomerization, then phosphorylation second, which is followed by aldol cleavage, then phosphorylation coupled to oxidation, formation of the ATP molecule, intermolecular rearrangement, dehydration, and formation of the pyruvic acid. So we will observe here the first step of the glycolysis. This is the phosphorylation. See, in the phosphorylation, glucose is phosphorylated to convert glucose 6-phosphate, and this reaction is mediated by the enzyme, that is the hexokinase. In this reaction, 1 ATP molecule is utilized. You can see here this glucose molecule is converted into the glucose 6-phosphate molecule. Second step is the isomerization. In this step, glucose 6-phosphate is converted into the fructose 6-phosphate, and this reaction is mediated by the enzyme phosphoglucoisomerase. Then next step is the phosphorylation second. In this step, again fructose 6-phosphate is phosphorylated to form fructose 1,6-diphosphate, and this reaction is again mediated by the phosphofructokinase. In this reaction, again 1 ATP molecule is used here. Then next step is the aldol cleavage. In this aldol cleavage, fructose 1,6-diphosphate is a breakdown, and they converted into the 2 molecule. One is the dihydroxyacetone phosphate, DHAP, and second molecule, that is the 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, PGAL, and this reaction is mediated by the enzyme aldolase. We have to understand here these 2 molecules are interconvertible, and this reaction is also mediated by the enzyme phosphotriose isomerase. Then next step is the phosphorylation coupled to oxidation. See, in this step, 2 hydrogen atoms liberated, which are accepted by NAD, which is reduced to the NADH. So in this reaction, 1,3-diphosphoglyceraldehyde is converted into the 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid, and this reaction is mediated by the triose phosphate dehydrogenase. Then formation of the ATP molecule. This is one of the important steps of the glycolysis. See, in this step, high energy phosphate group, that's 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid, is converted into the 3-phosphoglyceric acid, and this reaction is mediated by the enzyme phosphoglycerokinase. See, in this step, 2 ATP molecules are formed. So this is the one of the important step of the glycolysis. Then intermolecular rearrangement. In this step, 3-phosphoglyceric acid is converted into the 2-phosphoglyceric acid. You can see here this enzyme is responsible phosphoglyceromutase. This step is followed by the dehydration. In the dehydration, 2-phosphoglyceric acid is converted into the 2-phosphophenolpyruvic acid. One important enzyme performs their role here, which is the enolase. So this is the step of a dehydration. And the last step of this glycolysis is the formation of a pyruvic acid. See, 2-phosphophenolpyruvic acid is converted into the pyruvic acid by the enzyme pyruvate kinase, and in such a reaction 2 ATP molecules are formed. So these are the different steps of the glycolysis and formation of the pyruvic acid from the glucose. Thank you.